Want to pack like a pro, travel stress-free, and save money along the way? In this video, I'm revealing all my travel secrets, my ultimate checklist, packing hacks, and budgeting tips, so you can actually enjoy your trip instead of stressing over it. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step system you can use for your next adventure. For me, the very first step of any trip is research, and honestly, it's my favorite part of traveling. I love hunting for cheap flights, special promotions, and unique hotels or apartments, while also diving into everything there is to see and do at my chosen destination. I keep a travel bucket list, and it's funny, no matter how many places I visit, my list never seems to get shorter. In fact, it just keeps growing, because there are always more amazing places I want to explore. I usually pick spots from my bucket list, but I'm always open to discovering new destinations along the way too. Small tip, check the weather forecast a few days before your trip, because it really helps you pack appropriately and avoid overpacking. I also recommend packing most of your things at least 2 days in advance. This way, the day before your trip is stress-free. You can just add small essentials like makeup, chargers, or umbrella without feeling rushed. Packing early not only saves time, but also gives you peace of mind, so you can start your adventure relaxed and ready to enjoy every moment. When I start my research for a trip, I use tools like Skyscanner to find cheap flights, and I check official airline websites and Instagram profiles for promotions and updates. For accommodation, I explore platforms like Booking, Agoda, Locktrip, Airbnb, as well as the official websites of hotels to compare options. After gathering all this information, I compare prices and reviews to choose what suits me best, making sure I get the best combination of comfort, location, and value. This method helps me plan smarter and ensures my trips are both enjoyable and budget-friendly. Friendly tip, I always start planning at least a few months ahead. It saves so much stress and money. Plus, psychology studies show that simply having a trip to look forward to can boost your happiness, and people actually enjoy the anticipation of travel almost as much as the trip itself. So planning early isn't just practical, it makes the whole experience more joyful from the very beginning. I also research places like museums, palaces, alcazars, botanical gardens, and other cultural landmarks. Many of these attractions offer free entrance days or discounted time slots that you can book or plan for in advance, which helps you make the most of your trip without overspending. Keep an itinerary, but leave room for spontaneous adventures. First tip for organization. Before every trip, I prepare a travel catalog with all the important details in one place. Flight information, hotel bookings, contact details, health insurance, and a list of places I want to visit, including transportation options and travel cards. It's also much easier to keep e-tickets for your flights on your phone, along with your hotel details. At passport control, they sometimes ask where you're staying or to see a return ticket, and having everything ready saves time and stress. Making a travel checklist before your trip is incredibly helpful. I keep it on my phone, and it includes documents, tickets, and all the essentials I don't want to forget. I always use Google Maps when organizing a trip. I check how long it takes to reach landmarks from my hotel, on foot and by transport, and that helps me decide what I can see in one day and what to leave for another. No matter how organized I am, if I spot something new and exciting, I let my spontaneous side guide the journey. Packing used to be my biggest challenge, but now it's one of my strengths. I've learned to switch from a large suitcase to traveling light with a carry-on or backpack. Less waiting at baggage claim, more adventure time. My packing tips are simple. Bring travel-size essentials, keep a small first aid kit with you, and plan outfits for each day to minimize overpacking. I always attach something unique to my suitcase so I can quickly recognize it if there are similar bags around. For us girls, dresses are the easiest option. They're light, beautiful, and you don't have to worry about matching separate pieces. I admit, cosmetics take up most of my suitcase, but I make an effort to keep it minimal with small sizes and only the essentials. This isn't exactly a packing tip, but it can be really useful. If you want great curls right after washing your hair, twist it with a rope before bed. In the morning, you'll have cute, effortless waves like you just came from a salon. With a cute dress and effortless curls, every photo in those postcard-perfect spots turns out picture-perfect. I like to arrange my clothes in the suitcase like a puzzle, filling corners with socks and underwear, laying larger items flat, and using the gaps between them for belts, scarves, or chargers. Also, I always plan my jewelry around my outfits and keep it all in one small box for easy access. For me, traveling isn't complete without a book or two, and I make sure one is always with me on the plane. Traveling gives me the perfect chance to read and daydream, and on long flights, I sometimes finish a whole book. If you want a stress-free trip, try packing your luggage 1 or 2 days before traveling to a foreign country. It helps you feel relaxed and ready to enjoy your vacation. Finally, the part that's both fun and practical. My top tips for traveling on a budget. Smart travel starts with smart budgeting, and Skyscanner is my go-to site for finding affordable flights and travel deals. Another smart budget travel tip is signing up for airline newsletters so you're the first to know about discounts, flash sales, and special promotions. Be flexible with your destinations and, if possible, your travel dates, because this is the key to finding cheap tickets. With that, you will discover more of this beautiful world for less money. Every traveler's dream. A quick tip: always compare the same hotel on different booking platforms and on the hotel's official site. Sometimes the best price is found there. Pro tip: prices can change depending on whether you book on a computer or a mobile app, so always compare both. Packing smart doesn't just save space, it saves money too. 2 in 1. For trips up to 3 or 4 days, you really don't need a big suitcase. Train your packing skills, and you'll naturally build better budgeting skills too. That's my complete system for traveling stress-free, staying organized, and saving money. I hope these tips help you on your next adventure. If you enjoyed the video, share it with a fellow traveler and subscribe for more travel secrets. And in my next video, I'll be sharing 10 stunning hidden spots in Europe that you'll love. Stay tuned.